two sets of players out. The bubble machines are at full force, and we are just a couple of minutes away from kick-off here. It is West Ham playing host to Wolves, two sides that have had a slow start to this season. Just one win each so far in the Premier League. Just 3 goals scored so far by both of these teams in their 7 Premier League fixtures. And it feels as if perhaps the pressure is starting to build on David Moyes and his men. They are back from the international break. Of course, a disappointing 1-0 defeat away at Everton. This could be Podence. He gets a shot away. Fabianski has to turn it over with his gloves. Podence from just outside of the 18-yard box. Well, it might have been sneaking just under the West Ham crossbar, but for the touch of the Fabianski gloves. Semedo's pushing up the right wing, pulls it back to the right-hand corner of the West Ham box. The cross is headed up into the air by Kurt Zouma and away. West Ham with a line of 5 or 6 players just on the edge of their own 18-yard box, preparing for another Wolves attack in the early stages of this match. We've already seen Podence test Lucas Fabianski. 7 minutes played and Fabianski has to make another save. A shot this time coming in from the right-hand side, and another save made by the West Ham goalkeeper. Played 12 minutes here at London Stadium and is goalless between West Ham and Wolves. But that's a lovely flick on by Cornet, and this could be a chance for Scamacca. Oh! And it's right across the Wolves goal, and Sarr able to watch it wide as well. Transport has been an issue today. Ball finds Bowen. Bowen shot. Oh, it's spilled. Comes back to Scamacca, and it goes wide. And I think he's saying that got a Wolves touch on its way out. The Italian is appealing at the very least for a corner. Wolves with a launch ball forward. Dawson gets his head to it before it finds Traore. It's now Scamacca on the ball. Scamacca, lovely pass to Bowen. Bowen will try and cut it onto his left boot. Still might have a chance. Kilman takes it away. Scamacca's there! And West Ham score! West Ham take the lead here at London Stadium. It started with the Italian. It finishes with the Italian. He cocked his ear to hear the cheers from the West Ham fans. They lead Wolves by a goal to 0.
I mean, that was wonderful play initially. It was just the endeavour to want to get there, and he comes back out to Scamacca and initially played a lovely pass to Bowen. Bowen steps inside, goes to shoot, gets grounded out. The ball comes to Scamacca without any fault at all. He's just gone bang.
A throw-in instead. Might be interesting actually to see at half-time if either manager goes to attempt to have a word with the referee. Oh, this is a shot, but Fabianski is behind it. A chance for Wolves just on the edge of the D. Podence was the player. Now comes out to Semedo. Semedo, cross in from Wolves' right. Comes back to Traore. Oh, well, I wasn't sure if that had gone in or not, but it actually ends up bouncing off the back of the netting of the West Ham goal. Johnny with the throw-in for Wolves in their right-back position. Ball forward is intercepted by Declan Rice. So West Ham now have it on the left-hand side of midfield. Comes infield through Paqueta. Could be a chance. Well, it's Kehrer who's in a run forward. Kehrer releases a shot, might drop kindly for Bowen. Left-footed strike! 2-0 to West Ham! Jarrod Bowen opens his Premier League account for the new season, and the Hammers have a 2-goal West Ham 2, Wolves 0. Now with Nori, Podence, and Fabianski drops down to his right-hand side. Well, any time he's been tested so far, the West Ham goalkeeper, he's been more than capable.
Pablo,
2-0 to West Ham as things stand. Oh, Traore with a wonderful ball in, and Diego Costa somehow manages to head it wide, and his expression will tell you just how disappointed he is by that. So Wolves are going to make at least one change, if not two. I think Traore is another player who's going to come on. Oh well, he's offside here, Diego Costa. Costa squares it, and Podence puts it in, but, well, the flag is eventually raised, and Diego Costa waves his finger in the air as if to say, I was definitely not offside. Yes, hasn't he?
Yeah, and Costa as well has kept the ball for him as well, bringing people into the game.
Ball with Emerson forward to Antonio tries to cut it back. Jose Sarr gets his gloves to it and manages to control it at the second attempt. Well, there was sudden danger there from West Ham, from Mikel Antonio. Here it is all over at London Stadium, and cheers from the West Ham fans. Goals from Scamacca and Jarrod Bowen, a first league win at home of the campaign. And that releases some of the pressure off David Moyes' shoulders, you would expect. It is finished here at London Stadium. West Ham 2, Wolves 0.